This is a round Wagon candelabra wheel, 32 inches in diameter, 40 inches in a sailing to the hanging height, adjustable by chain. Bulbs are not included. We're going to hang this up, show you what it looks like all lit up. We have 12 bulbs, black and gold, Wagon chandelier. We have a package of bulbs. Show you how nicely this is packaged. We have an instruction guide on top. Opening the top, laying things out, and unpacking your chandelier. With a screwdriver, remove all the screws. You have 2 screws, one on the top, one on the side. Each of the pieces will go together, very simple, by lining up, placing in to create a full circle. With all your screws, place in the top ones. Lock down. Then work on the side screws and lock down. The hook end is adjustable. It moves and rotates. You're going to take the lead, the hook, twist, snake. Pull the lead through. And you're going to hook up and repeat for the other 3. On the ends, you have a nut and a lock washer. Please take off and put to the side. All lock washers, all bars are threaded and off. You have your main area of interest now to hook up into each of the holes, your center bracket. Unscrew the top, open up, load and neutral, all the bars, slide through, washer, nut, lock down. With the tool, lock down each of the bolts and nuts. You have a hardware kit. You have a load and a neutral. All your loads to the load with the wire nut. Tuck in. Close up. You have a short chain, a medium chain, and a long chain. You can take the long, join them together to make one long chain or different size chains, however which way you want. We're going to do the short chain and hang up. We're going to open up the chain link, slide it through, lock it into place. We're going to take our lead, depending on the length we want, then we're going to finalize. Grab the chain and snake through every other one. We have the top bracket that you simply unscrew. Release the bracket on top and hang over there. Hang up. Take this part, separate, screw on. You got a tall ceiling, a short ceiling, whatever ceiling you have that you're hanging this on. That is why you have a length of cable. You slide through. When you found your height and everything and you have help from a friend, or you just simply slide the chain through like so, push everything up into the top, and twist on. Slide the cover up and spin on the nut. Now your chandelier is all hung up the height that you need. Need to put the bulbs in and turn it on. In our demonstration purposes, we raised the chandelier so a height you all see how nicely it's installed. We're going to take out the bulbs. We're going to place in. They have a maximum rating. Pull the cover off so you can see the maximum rating your bulbs are allowed. Ceramic E27, 40 watt maximum. The shafts come off for cleaning. Make sure they go back on correctly into its slot. And place in the bulbs. We have here our 4 COB light bulbs, E27, they screw in. The round Wagon chandelier hooked up with 12 40 watt maximum bulbs, a remote control that we're going to slowly dim down so you get an idea what it looks like when it's nice and low in a light level. Each of the bulbs, nicely designed. You could put any type of bulbs of E27 in. Hanging low or short, your option. Short hanging or hanging real low from a tall ceiling. Your candelabra, 12 round. Check online for further details about your product. Your candelabra hanging from a tall ceiling, looking down 40 inches plus. These are nice, decorative for the house, wherever you want to put it. Nice living room, foyer, a cabin. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.